To block your Fidelity ATM card, start by gathering the necessary information, including your card details and account information. Next, contact Fidelity customer service by calling their toll-free number, which can be found on the back of your card or on the Fidelity website. When you call, be prepared to provide your account information and card details to verify your identity. Clearly explain the reason for your call, which is to block your ATM card, and provide any additional information requested by the representative. Alternatively, you can also block your card through the Fidelity website or mobile app. To do this, log into your account and navigate to the account settings or card management section. Look for the option to block or report your card as lost or stolen, and follow the prompts to complete the process. It is essential to act quickly if you believe your card has been lost or stolen, as this will help prevent any unauthorized transactions. Once your card is blocked, no further transactions can be made using the card, and you can request a replacement card to be sent to you. In addition to blocking your card, it is also a good idea to monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. You can do this by logging into your account online or through the mobile app, and reviewing your recent transactions. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily block your Fidelity ATM card and help protect your account from unauthorized access. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure, and to contact Fidelity customer service immediately if you have any concerns about your account.